Denny here. Well, let's start off on our new adventure. This time we're just going to take a look at the bear picture and get some teaching. I'll meet you at the easel. And here we go. As you can see, I've got the picture of the still life laid out. Tomorrow we're going to start painting, but today we're going to do a little bit of learning about how come it's set up like it is. Okay? We have two things that are absolutely necessary. We've got a good horizontal plane and we've got a good strong vertical plane. This is very pleasing to the eye. Okay? We have here an S-shaped composition, which means you're going to start here and the eye will follow these fruits and vegetables around up to the top of the container, and then, you'll see a shadow. You'll come down to shadow, and you'll travel right back down here. And we will hold the eye here. Because as artists, we determine what they look at. We are the ones that do that by good composition and by remembering the basic elements of how to make a subject appear and stay within the focus, and that's done with intense colors and sharp lines, as opposed to colors that are going to be washed out and lines that are not going to be as sharp. All of this is just simply a placeholder to keep your eye right here. This is the composition we want. The style we painted in can be any style you want. It could be Baroque, it could be Picasso, it could be any artist you like, any style you want to paint. But the basic composition needs to be there. And that's what we've got right here. This is our start point. Now there's a lot of stuff to be painted in here. So a lot of this stuff out here is going to be painted off camera so that we can concentrate on getting this done. Okay, so be with me tomorrow and we will start the painting on our still life. And remember to like, subscribe, follow, comment, hit the like, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. Okay, we're ready to start with the painting tomorrow. And be with me then. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.